that the new Public Enterprises Minister, Barbara Hogan's thinking along the same lines. I don't know if you saw the story, but she told Parliament that if state-owned enterprises continue to be drained on the resources of the state, then there was a possibility that they could be privatized.
Oh, she's great. I mean, that's wonderful news. You know, I think what she's saying is where there's inefficiencies.
Absolutely.
And I think that's the problem with state-owned, businesses, is the inefficiencies, the people who actually run it. You know, Eskom should be doing wonderfully, as should SAA. But I think we know the reasons there. So I think what she's trying to do is just put a bomb under them and just get them to start working harder and become a lot more efficient. She doesn't take nonsense. You know,
No,
in the little time that she was there with health, she turned that over. And very supportive of her. Maybe she should be. Oh, should I say it?
Well, we could. Fingers crossed. No, she does. She does seem great. What was going on in the market today? We ended up in the green.
Very strong. Felicity, there are two camps. We're seeing the positive camp winning now, with the views that the global recession is coming to an end and China is going to lead us out of it. So you've seen commodity prices up very strong. Today we had another day, oil price up at a new high. No one's quite sure whether this is demand-driven or speculative-driven. I don't mind, because speculators normally don't put money in if they don't believe they're going to make money. So they must see something that we don't see. But I think against that, you're getting a lot of comment that this is premature and that the global recession, the recovery will be a lot slower. So, and big names, a lot of people stomping on those green roots, green shoots.
I'm inclined to stomp them.
Yeah.
I've heard that so many times. Looking at quite interesting, Cipla down 3% today. Now I remember you thought that deal was very good for Cipla. Or you say, the proposed deal with Adcock. So
I liked Adcock on its own.
Okay, that's
Okay,
sorry. Yes.
Sorry,
Yes.
I wanted Adcock to go its own way, even if it didn't get the drugs, the generics or prescription drugs, etc. I believed it could build it up along the way. I prefer companies to grow organically rather than just to merge spreadsheets. So I'm quite happy, and I think probably Cipla, on the basis that stock exchange might start to look deeper into it, starting to come back. Also, there are a lot of arbiters who got hurt.
Right. No. Yeah. This price rise. Just interesting today from BHP. They dropped their coal prices 58%. Did you see
that was expected. Yeah.
Yeah. It's taken
That's
a while
metallurgical
though.
coal. Yeah.
Yeah. These commodity prices are a very interesting story right now.
Well, that coal's come down dramatically, and it's still a big part of BHP Billiton, I think.
Yeah.
Could be up to 25-30% of their revenue,
But,
metallurgical coal with iron ore. So, but I think that's already been in the price. It's been, we know that it's coming down, as are iron ore prices. So, but Billiton was up today, 3%, 4%.
Makes you wonder if Eskom prices will come down a bit now they're getting cheap coal. Probably not. Let's chat a bit about your investment seminars you and Alec are doing. I trust you are fair with the details this evening.
I'll put it in my diary now.
Excellent news.
Not quite sure why we're going to first to Durban, Cape Town, then backtracking to PE.
Yeah, so you're going to be very tired that week. It's Monday the 6th, you start in Durban. Then it's Cape Town on Tuesday, Port Elizabeth on Wednesday, and Johannesburg on Thursday. You're going to be a very tired fella. What are you hoping to deal with at these?
I think, look, it's a matter of, are there green shoots or not? Where does one put their money in? It's very difficult for savers at the moment. What do you do in an environment where interest rates are coming down quite dramatically? You're not making money by holding cash. Where do you put your cash? And I think that's hopefully that we want to achieve. There are a lot of areas and there are a lot of good companies, but that's what we're going to talk about.
Well, if you're interested in that, it's 250 Rand a person. It starts at 6 p.m. and you can get the details on moneyweb.co.za or contact Barbara Mazaris on 082-881-0783 or email her at barbara@moneyweb.co.za. Well, in our ETF update, Hilton Tarrant chatted to Satrix joint CEO Sanmarie Grief about the Satrix divvy.
The performance of Satrix divvy has been very good over the last few months and over the last year. Over the last month, it's returned 10%. Over the last 3 months, it's returned 24%.